Hi friends, in this video I am going to solve a simple array problem. So the problem statement is we are given an unsorted array of integers and we have to print distinct array elements while maintaining the order of the elements of the original array. Basically we have to remove duplicate values from the array. Let's try to understand it with the help of an example. If the input array is this, the output array would be this. 2, 5, 1 and 100 are repeated twice in the input array, so they won't be printed in output array. We can solve this problem using dictionary or hash map data structure. We will iterate the array from left to right and add each element of the array in the dictionary as key and set its corresponding value as true. Since keys in dictionary are unique, duplicate array values won't be inserted. 2 is already present in dictionary, so it won't be inserted again, it will be updated. Then we will iterate the array second time, again from left to right, and this time while iterating we will first check whether the current array element value in dictionary is true or false. If it is true, we will set it as false and print the element. If current array element value in dictionary is false, we won't print it because false denotes element is already printed. This is how we will avoid printing duplicate array value. Time complexity of this approach is order of n. Here is the Python code for the approach we have discussed. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Inshallah, I will be making similar videos in future, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye.